For the brain to work better, it needs good nutrition. Today, I will share with you which products are optimal for the brain. Over the past 50 years, human life expectancy has increased. However, diseases such as Alzheimer's, senile dementia, and Parkinson's disease have also increased. At the same time, there is a growing number of people who complain about poor memory, poor sleep, and anxiety without apparent causes. Back in 2011, the World Health Organization conducted a cross-country study and found that the biological strength of the modern human body allows it to live for 120 years. This creates confusion and dissonance. The body is strong enough to provide life for 120 years, but the brain gets sick earlier and prevents us from increasing our life expectancy. Why am I saying this? Because even in the most developed countries, such as Japan and the countries of the European Council, where there is a very favorable living environment, people do not reach the age of 90. So it's all about the brain. Maybe the brain simply lacks good nutrition. Let's think. When the brain works well, it takes 20% of all the energy needed for the body as a whole. Look, a small volume of brain, and it takes 20% of all energy. This means it needs good nutrition. Now let's move on to the brain menu to ensure it functions well. Scientists have developed a menu consisting of 7 items. First item: it is necessary to eat a small piece of fatty meat daily. It doesn't matter what kind of meat: beef, lamb, horse meat, or chicken. You can also combine them, for example, by taking lard and adding beans. This is absolutely essential. This is the first condition. Second condition: to improve concentration, you need onions. This is especially important when a person feels overworked or mentally exhausted. Onions thin the blood, help increase brain circulation, and are very beneficial. The daily requirement for onions is half a bulb. Third component: carrots. Carrots are very useful when you need to memorize or learn a text. It is essential to eat 1 grated carrot mixed with oil. Carrots are good for the skin and, most importantly, for the brain. They help retain information better. Fourth component: before an exam or an important presentation, you should eat nuts. Nuts help improve concentration and prevent distractions. Fifth component: for mental clarity when solving a difficult problem, 1 lemon. Lemon is very beneficial because it contains a high dose of vitamin C. You can squeeze the lemon, add a little water, and drink it as a small lemon juice if you prefer. Sixth component: to boost mood and brain energy, eating a banana is very effective. Bananas contain serotonin, which is essential for the brain to help a person feel happy. And finally, the seventh component: when you need to quickly process a large amount of information, there's no need to eat anything. You simply need to take a short daytime nap. Sleep is absolutely essential for processing a large volume of information. Professor's advice: now you know the 7-component brain menu to keep your brain functioning well. Remember, our brain is the control center that ensures the health of our body, longevity, and optimal cognitive performance for adapting to any changes in the external environment, whether natural or social.